So we got 1957, delete characters to make a fancy string. So basically we're taking a string, and if it has any letters that are like if it has over 3 letters in a row, we just basically want to put it down to like there's only 2. So like a fancy string just means that there is no 3 consecutive letters. So what we're going to do, so we're going to have 3 different variables that we're going to use. So we're going to have the character that we're on, and we're just going to start off with this with the first one. We're going to have a count going as well, like how many consecutive ones are in a row, and then we're going to have a result. That's going to be what we return at the end. So basically we're going to be like, okay, so for a letter in this array, we're just going to slice off the first one because like we already are checking it. So basically being like if the letter equals the character, and then we're also going to have another if statement that says if the count equals 2, and then we're just going to continue because basically we just want to skip it if it does, and then plus equal 1. Okay, yeah, so then we're just going to add the count to it because we still are at a count, because no matter what we're going to add another one to it just to make sure we know where we're at. And then we're going to be else the count equals 1 and the char equals letter. So that's basically being like, okay, so if the letter does not equal the last character, then we just want to set that character to be the new one and the count to be back to 1. And then just at the end of like whatever happens, we want to do result plus equal letter. And then at the end, return result. So yes, we want to put this at the end, no matter what, because like if there's 2 in a row, it'll just continue the loop right there. So it won't even get to that. So yeah.